The autoplay feature on YouTube makes it easier to decide what to watch next. After you watch a YouTube video, we'll automatically play another related video based on your viewing history. Now let's walk through where you find autoplay on mobile, desktop, and TV. To turn autoplay on or off in YouTube's mobile app, go to the watch screen of any video. At the top of the video player, tap the autoplay toggle. When using YouTube on a computer, click the autoplay toggle in the video player. To change your autoplay settings on the YouTube app on your TV, go to Settings. Scroll to Autoplay, then click the autoplay box to turn autoplay on or off. If you've connected your TV to your phone or tablet, you can use your device to control autoplay. Tap the control bar at the bottom of the screen to expand your queue and see your autoplay settings. Use the autoplay toggle to turn autoplay on or off. Before you go, here's a few things to keep in mind. Autoplay won't start if you're connected to a mobile network and have been inactive for 30 minutes. If you're on Wi-Fi, autoplay will stop automatically after 4 hours. This prevents long autoplay sessions you might forget about. And finally, autoplay is switched on by default in the YouTube app, mobile browsers, and on computers. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.